This is my original size Bodum French press. And boy, is it the best size. So you can get larger ones if you're going to have multiple people, but if you're just going to make a cup of coffee for yourself at home or at the office or something, and maybe even out camping, it's glass, but it's fairly rugged. You're just going to put your grounds in here. You're going to bring your water not quite to a boil. So at least my school of thought is to bring the water up almost to a boil and then make your coffee. Don't bring it to a boil and bring it back down. I guess just for flavor. Then you're going to give it some time. Now you're going to put in the press and the cover, and as you push down, your water will be up to about here. It'll be all full of coffee grounds. As you push down, that filter is going to push all those coffee grounds down to the bottom, and none of the oil. You're left with that coffee, that oil, and the flavor of the coffee. You pour that out. And I'm cheap, so I'll usually pull this back up, fill it with more warm hot water, let it mix again, smush it back down, get 2 cups out of it. That's how I do it. That's why I bought this one. Hope this helps.